What if I told you the most viral short clips you see today aren't the result of hours hunched over editing software or hiring a massive production crew? I actually put this entire workflow together in under 10 minutes using a mix of smart prompts, a quick voice recording, and an AI-powered editor doing the heavy lifting. Lately, I have been seeing this specific brand's face cream everywhere. So, I decided to run a little experiment to see if I could turn long-form reviews into high-performing content. The goal was simple: turn a long, boring review into multiple viral shorts without ever leaving my browser window. This whole process is completely repeatable and, honestly, it is significantly cheaper and faster than hiring any traditional agency. In this video, I'm going to walk you through my exact step-by-step workflow for creating content at scale. We are going to cover everything from pulling product copy and analyzing competitor ads to generating scripts and auto-editing your clips. This is exactly how many 7- and even 9-figure brands are cranking out high-quality creative assets right now. First things first, you need a solid product to act as your test subject for the content. I picked a moisturizer for this demo because skincare is a great stress test for audience engagement and visual appeal. If you can successfully sell skincare in a short clip, you can pretty much sell anything else to an audience. I grabbed the official product page and copied the description, the list of ingredients, and several of the top-rated reviews. That raw information is going to feed your creative prompts later on in the process. The next step is finding a template because you absolutely do not need to reinvent the wheel here. Look for competitors who are one step above you, specifically those whose ads you know are actually converting. I skimmed a few ad libraries and found 2 short user-generated style clips with hooks that I personally really liked. Those 2 clips became my baseline for the content I wanted to produce. Instead of retyping everything, I used a transcription tool to get the word-for-word text from those videos. These transcripts are pure gold because they show you the exact pacing and cadence that holds attention. I combined those transcripts with my product info and fed them into a high-quality AI writing model. I asked the model to write scripts that feel like natural, casual conversations between friends. The output gave me several variants, including a testimonial-first approach and an ingredient-focused version. I picked the version that felt the most authentic to my brand voice and kept the others for later use. Now, let's talk about the most important part: the audio for your videos. While text-to-speech is okay, I prefer recording a quick audio take myself for authentic tonality. I record myself reading the script exactly how I want it, capturing natural pauses and emotional emphasis. This takes 10 minutes tops, and it captures the human cadence that AI often misses entirely. This is where Vizard comes in to make your entire editing process completely effortless. Instead of juggling complex timelines, I just upload my long-form review video directly into the platform. Its auto-editing algorithm scans the footage to identify the most engaging moments and visual hooks. It does all the heavy lifting, like finding jump cuts and energy spikes, so you don't have to manually edit every second. I also upload my voice take, and Vizard aligns the best visual moments with the audio I just recorded. The tool's Smart Picker looks for facial emphasis and natural gestures, which are the moments that perform best. You end up with a set of 6 to 12 short clips ready to be posted in just a few minutes. Vizard stands out because it combines auto-editing with built-in scheduling and a content calendar. This means you can go from raw footage to a full month of daily clips without opening a single other app. Once the clips are generated, I sit down to pick the winners, like the best hook and the most convincing testimonial. Consistency is truly the key, so I schedule them to drip out slowly across all my social platforms. Here is a secret scalability hack. Reuse that same proven script and create multiple visual variations. You can re-render different edits, tweak the thumbnail frame, or change the opening hook to test new ideas. By doing this, you have effectively multiplied your creative testing without any major additional costs. To wrap this up, if you want a system for turning long videos into viral formats, just follow this workflow. Pick your product, pull those competitor hooks, record your voice, and let the AI do the rest of the hard work. This method creates a powerful creative engine that will consistently outpace any manual editing team out there. If you want the exact scripts and checklists I used, just reach out, but for now, go try this pipeline yourself. You are going to be honestly surprised by how quickly you can turn one piece of content into a month of high-performing shorts.